What's up, guys? Welcome back to LeetCode Path to Pro. How are y'all doing? It's Friday. Woo! I did a virtual contest, 404 earlier today. So, just gonna go over my answers to that. Yeah. All right. Can I access it? Or select the problems? What is it? It's 34 something, right? 30 something? Oh, the acronym. I remember that. It's too big. 3200. Okay. It's close. No, it still doesn't pull it up. It's annoying. Okay, it's fine. So you're given two integers, red and blue, representing kind of red and blue colored balls, for instance, to form a triangle. So first, blah blah. Yep. And you alternate the colors. Each time the amount that you need in a row is going to increase by 1. Kind of want to look at the solutions. So I'm curious. Yeah, so you did that. Okay, yeah, everybody's doing basically what I did. Or those few people. So, mine's definitely less pretty. But, so basically this is saying we're starting with red, and then we just loop through and basically try to create a bigger triangle by starting with red. Then we're starting with blue, trying to create a triangle. Then we try the max of those two. Yeah. Took me longer than it should have. Because I was trying to do something where you calculate which one to start with, instead of just simulating both cases where you start with blue or red. Trying to calculate which one should you start with, and then go from there. But I realized it would just be easier to just go ahead, because there's only 2 cases, right? What is this? How am I doing this to? So the next one. Oh, and I should probably write these down as I go. Maybe I'll just go through them all and then I'll write them down. So this one, find the maximum length of valid subsequence 1. Integer right nums, subsequent sum of nums with length x is called valid if it satisfies. Basically, they all have to be the sum of the two. The pairing has to either be odd or even for the whole subsequence. So this is a DP problem, but you can do it greedily. As you can see, it took me quite a bit, but basically, you have 3 cases, right? You have a case where you're counting the number of odds, the number of evens, because for both of those, you add an odd to an odd, it's even. You add an even to an even, it's even. So that's going to satisfy. Okay, you're going to find the max odd types. Or the max even types, right? Like that's going to handle both those cases. Or if your longest subsequence is of odd type, you can either it's going to be even odd, so you either start even, go odd, so even odd, or odd even, odd even. So this handles that basically. Yeah, it's pretty quick too, pretty pacey. And this, I didn't do this. I'm not going to claim to have done this one. I was running out of time, so I just looked at the solution. The solution's not too bad, actually. Basically the same thing, but instead of 2, you're given some integer k. Definitely makes it a bit trickier, so you actually have to do the DP. And that looks something like this. So you're creating a 2D DP array, a matrix. You loop through the nums, and then you're just gonna, right, we're not interested in what the actual number is, we're only interested in like what's the remainder for k. And then for y and range, and then you loop through the spot in k, fully understand how this works. How does this never go out of range? Whatever. Well, we'll figure it out later. And then this just returns the max of the matrix. It's a little funky looking, but that's all it does. Yeah. So those were the 3. Let's go ahead and add these. This was a weekly contest 404. It was, what was it? What was that first one? It's like math. Say the first one. Second is array. Third is array. Do hard. For this guy, it's gonna be O(n) squared. Well, it's O(n) times k, and then this is O of k. Oh, it doesn't go to bounds because you're getting the remainder of k. That makes sense. Okay. Yep. Oh damn, I did well on that last one. Oh, I think I remember. Oh, because I'd already done that one a while back. Ooh, I just didn't write it down. Maybe I just crushed on that. Oh no, that was the recent. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So says no. Come on now. Yeah, it is O of n k and then O of k squared space. I say 2D DP. Also map. Basically map iterable that performs a function. What's an iterator? Iterable. That's not what we want. We want these guys. So nice. It's like 8 lines or something. Sick. Oh, I love that. That's big time, bro. No. Then the last one. This one, I'll give myself a yes. Say greedy. Count off odds. So those are. So things you can do. As you can see, I'm not even going to show you those solutions because they got pretty gross. I mean, the solution's already kind of gross. I want to look at the solutions for this. Yeah, the easy for this one took me like 20 minutes, which is definitely more time than I want easy to be taking. You know, goal is to be able to do an easy in 10, mediums in like 20, 25. Hards for like, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes. Just be able to do them. Decent amount of code. And the problem is this easy as it can be a bitch to put in here too. Decent amount of code. It might be an easy, but it's not an easy amount of code. One thing. Alright, this is O then though. Or O1 really. Solution sick. Which is awesome. This guy. So I think, yeah, you do want to use while loop here. But yeah, like I said, you know, probably be best to put this, right, put this in a function, and then you just pass, like, whichever one you start with. That's your best. That's what you should do. Just because it was a, you know, contest. Don't judge me. I was trying to go fast. I was already frustrated because it was taking me longer than it should have. Because like I said, I was trying to simulate, like, which, you know, do calculation, do some logic to figure out which one should start, which is hard. There's a lot of, I think, you know, I think you could do it. It's just a lot of if statements. It's definitely cleaner just to simulate. Reversed. Blue equals blue. Okay. This is also right. Yeah. Yep. Simulation. Simulate that stuff. Yeah, I want to look at this one. What are people doing? guy's a beast, I bet. Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. Connect with him on LinkedIn. PhD. Got MS Wall. Oh, and he got MFE. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, he's a quant. Makes sense. Maybe I should stop recording. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.